Applying net wrap onto your bales is a critical function of your John Deere round baler. With our net guides, you can be confident your net wrap will stay on the surface of the bale and not wrapped around your rollers for increased efficiency in the field. John Deere Net Guides work by bridging the gap between the number 10 and 12 rollers on the tension arm to prevent net from wrapping around the number 11 roller. They can be installed on 6 Series and newer round balers. In this video, we'll show you how to install net guides on your round baler. We're using a John Deere 568 round baler with a mega-wide pickup. Always consult your operator's manual for your specific machine before starting any maintenance, and to ensure you have the appropriate personal protective equipment to wear. Overview of steps. 1. Park machine safely. 2. Organize parts. 3. Install net guides. We recommend installing 2 net guides on 4-foot wide round balers and 3 net guides on 5-foot wide round balers. Each net guide requires 2 chain links, which must be ordered separately. Before performing any maintenance on your baler, make sure you review and follow the safety tips outlined in your manual. First, safely park your baler and lower all equipment to the ground. With the engine running, raise the baler gate to the halfway position and lock it as shown. Once the baler gate is locked, lower the tension arm to best access the rollers. Stop the engine, remove the key, and disconnect the battery ground strap. Next, confirm you have the correct number of net guides and connecting links for the width of your baler. John Deere recommends using at least 2 net guides at positions 3 and 6 on 4-foot wide balers, and at least 3 net guides at positions 2, 4, and 6 on 5-foot wide balers. Pro tip: net guides can also be installed between each belt if desired. Note the orientation of the net guide based on its marking. Slide the belts away from each other to give yourself more room to work. Flex the larger end of the net guide over the center tension arm roller. Next, flex the smaller end over the rear tension arm roller. Starting on one side of the net guide, bring the ends together and slide a connecting link through the holes provided. Secure the connecting link with the keeper by snapping it into place. Install the second set of connecting links on the other side of the net guide. Repeat this entire process to install each net guide. And there you have it. Your John Deere baler is ready to run efficiently this next baling season. Purchase net guides online at shop.deere.com or in store at your local John Deere dealer.